He was on States. You're on Virginia.
Mm-hmm.
We are playing Monopoly.
My turn. Damn it. I landed on luxury
There's
tax.
a filter that's like girls' night. Would you take offense to that?
I don't care. Oh, it is
Right in the
100.
middle.
Damn, that's so I thought it was 75, but I was going to look for change, but not in this place.
Nope.
Good morning, guys. So today it is February 19th. It is family day, and my mom, dad, and I are going to a car show. I know that sounds kind of weird, but it's just like a 2018 car show, and there's fancy cars and normal cars and all this stuff, and it was my dad's idea, so I don't know. But it should be fun because I'm getting a car this summer, and we want to just take a look at all the different types. And I'm definitely not getting a 2018, but just to get an idea of like cars that are out there, and then I can look at the older versions of those cars. But yeah, so it is currently like 9 a.m. right now, and we are leaving shortly to head out. It's about 2 hours away, and just gonna be a nice full day trip together. And I will take you guys along with us. We made it to the mall. That's my mama and daddy.
Men's are
This one, is this? No. We gotta take the escalator. Say hi. Hi. We are at the auto show, but we're hungry, and we don't care.
We just want food now.
Yeah, but I'll try and like. It's crazy here,
So many people.
but what can you do? It's Toronto. But I found some nice cars that I like, but I'm not gonna get a 2018. It's too
I
much
think
money.
a used one is better. Like
Yeah.
an older model.
Well, like I'm 20. I don't need a 2018 car, but my dad is very extra and likes looking at nice cars.
You don't need a $400 car payment.
No, definitely not, especially as a student. But I just wanted to say hi, and we're gonna get food soon. Yeah.
There, that's food court.
I know, but we need to wait. Let's wait. All right. Bye. So we are currently still here, but in the exotic car area. There's like a Tesla and I can't even see actually. Lotus, stuff like that. But it's very exciting. Not really. But I'm excited to see the Tesla because I'm a big fan. Guys, this is like one of the oldest cars and one of the most valuable cars in the show. Probably millions. This is what I've been told. I don't actually know anything about cars. It's a beauty. Are you gonna get that?
That's cool, man.
Hey guys, so it is the next night now, actually, after the car show that we went to. But I just wanted to give you an update on how it all went. It was a very good day and very insightful. A lot of walking and a lot of cars that look exactly the same because I don't really know a lot about cars. But I looked at all of the hybrid cars that I was interested in and then some, like I looked at a bunch. So now my eyes are open to all the possibilities. Like I said, I'm not getting a 2018, but like some of them have older makes. So I'm definitely gonna take a look at the older makes of the cars. Look at the kitty cat. And yeah, I'm really excited. I should be getting my car in about 2 or 3 months and it's gonna be very helpful for me. But yeah, it's the end of my night. I just got back from seeing Black Panther with my dad and it was a really good movie. Like, I honestly had no idea what it was gonna be about. I like Marvel movies, but this one was like kind of over my head. My dad had to like tell me the background about how it relates to Captain America and all that stuff. But yeah, I really liked it. Highly recommend you go see it. All the visuals, the music, everything was amazing. The actors were very good looking and very good. But yeah, that's all I have to say. I think Felix and I are gonna go to bed now. And this is a change in background because I am home now. I am home for a week. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed now and I will see you guys in my next vlog.